Shifting our focus to the economic calendar for next week, we analyze how upcoming news and events may influence the movements of currency pairs and cryptocurrencies.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Would you be interested in trading by an AI-empowered bot? Please leave your comments and likes below this video, and feel free to reach out to us to commence your journey towards profitable trading.
Thank you for your valued attention. JPY Forex Academy presents weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast to keep you informed. Enhance your trading journey with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing for profitable signals and in-depth analysis.